Don't talk about them around Nate, bro. Nate will start getting mad.
What'd you say?
So I'm meeting the bird people.
Angels making friends with bird people.
Are you part of? You're started the. Oh my god. Okay, I need to. I need to slow down.
What the hell?
Wow.
What? Wait. Okay.
I can't believe so many thoughts just swarmed my mind. I couldn't decide which one to say.
Hey, John.
You almost made him have a fucking stroke, bro. Jesus Christ.
What's up, John?